Hey guys, I'm Sarah. I'm here with my assistant Olivia, and we are going to be making some Korean, what's it called? Korean street food sponge candy, otherwise known as Dalgona. So Olivia knows a bit more about this than me because I'm not that trendy.
Neither am I, trust me. It was invented a while ago but recently gained a lot of popularity due to its appearance in the popular TV show Squid Games. It also goes by another name of which I cannot pronounce it.
Begins with P, doesn't it?
Yes.
But also there's a reason we're doing a Korean recipe. What's his name?
Kyungsu.
Kyungsu. Am I saying that right? This is for Kyung, who was recently at a camp with Olivia, and she showed him this YouTube channel and he said, oh, you've got no Korean recipes. Yeah, we thought we'd give this a go because it's just so super easy. And this is a great sort of family activity. All you really need is sugar, baking soda, and that's it, isn't it?
Oil.
And oil. Equipment wise, I'm just using like the bottom of a cake tin. I've put some oil on that. I've actually pre-prepared that because you kind of got to act a bit quick once it's done. We're also going to use a ladle on top of the stovetop to melt the sugar. We're going to put a decent tablespoon of sugar into a ladle. All the other videos I've seen use a gas stovetop to hold the ladle over. Incoming. But yeah, we just use the electric one. It still works, it's fine. I'm going to use a chopstick to go stirry with this.
Want me to
put in a, here you go.
baking soda.
So then, oh yeah, that's there we go. Pour this over our greased surface. Hang on, stick out.
Hi.
Because I haven't flattened it or anything. Right, pot. So I've oiled the pot. Do that.
Yeah, now I can't do that.
Alright, fine. Now, is it going to be too late to do this? Possibly not.
You don't want it all the way through.
Look at that, pretty wee shape. And here's the cool thing, pretty much straight away you can lift it up. Look at that. Now, stuffed up a wee bit, because you're actually meant to have skewers in here. Olivia was bang on. She was she was trying to put the skewer in.
You can put skewers in and make it like a lollipop, but you don't have to. It's perfectly normal to have it like a biscuit and like cut out the shape in the middle with a pin or a skewer or something to have fun.
Yeah. Now apparently the idea of the shape, which was in the Squid Games movie, was you're actually meant to try and cut out the shape without ruining the shape. Apparently that's the thing. And apparently often in Korean street food type places, they sell these, but they sell these to kids and they either don't pay for them or they get them for free if they can break them off around the shape without breaking the shape in the middle. But I think in the Squid Games movie it was much more life and death type stuff over a
You've
bicky.
researched more than me.
You've got to research these things. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna try doing a few more because of course there are other kids who are gonna want in on this.
Yeah, and I'm making my own.
Olivia's making her own.
Also, can I punch the end off of this?
Actually, your star shape, that'd probably fit on there actually.
Okay, now that does look. Oh, it's still warm. Oh.
Oh, nice and crunchy.
No. I want this again.
Ooh.
Oh.
Tastes like a crunchy bar.
Hokey pokey.
Yeah.
That's like crunchy.
Which makes sense because it's basically caramelised, sugary.
Goodness.
Mmm,
That's basically a crunchy bar.
yummy. There we
I'm
go.
just getting into a conversation.
Give this a go, guys. Hit like, leave a comment down below, hit subscribe, and get some Dalgona stuck in your teeth.
Would not recommend if you
Worth
have
it, though.
braces.
Bye.
Especially if you're crunchy.
Mmm.
It's really good.
It's like a crunchy bar. It's a good fun, you know, either holiday or rainy day weekend activity for the kids. And let's face it, it costs basically next to nothing.